Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2.4 Three Visions for India. In last lecture, we have seen about this lesson is a part of famous speech delivered by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam at IIT Hyderabad on 25 May 2011. This lesson is outline of his three dreams for his motherland, India, and means he uh, pleaded, means he requested to the Indian to get involved in that nation for the nation building process to make India a developed nation. Last lecture we have seen means that India is a number one country in many section. Means India is number one in wheat production. India is number one in milk production. Okay, means India is number one in remote sensing satellite also. And okay, means we have the example of Dr. Sudarshan. Those who have transferred the tribal village into a self-sustaining, self-driving unit. Okay, and that's why Dr. Abdul Kalam says that there are many examples in front of us, means such achievements example. Then why we Indian thought that we are, means why we not build our a developed nation? He asked the question to us. Okay. Now next part, see. Do we not realize that self-respect comes with self-reliance? Means he asked the question, do we not realize that self-respect comes with the self-reliance? When we are self-reliance means when we are self-dependent. Okay, that time only self-respect will come. Then see, he means he refer here one example. Means Dr. Abdul Kalam says that when he was in Tel Aviv once and I was reading the Israeli newspaper. Tel Aviv is the city in Israel country. ओके, तेल अवीव एक सिटी का नेम है जो इज़राइल देश में। तो अब्दुल कलाम इज़राइल में थे, तेल अवीव में थे, तब वो वहाँ का इज़राइली न्यूज़पेपर रीड कर रहे थे। It was the day after a lot of attacks and bombardment. And that time in Israel there was it's a time of bombardment, attacks, lot of attacks. Okay, means there is that time there was no peace, and because of that deaths had taken place. The Hamas had stuck. Hamas means Islamic militant organization. Hamas is the Islamic militant organization which is work means that Hamas, it's a militant organization that made their the trick means in many countries. Okay, Hamas एक इस्लामिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो मिलिटेंट रिलेटेड, मतलब वो बहुत सारे देश में bombardment and attack करती है. But the front page of the newspaper. But when Abdul Kalam was reading the Israeli newspaper, that time in that newspaper, there was a picture of a Jewish gentleman who is 5 years had transformed his desert land into an orchid farm and granary. That time there was a day of bombardment. That time there was a day of attack. Then also in that newspaper, there on the front page, that there was a story of a Jewish means Jew gentleman, who means his story was taken place in that front page. मतलब न्यूज़पेपर के पहले पेज में जूइश जेंटलमैन की स्टोरी थी जिसने डेजर्ट लैंड को ऑर्चिड बनाया था. ओके, एंड इट मीन्स ही ट्रांसफर हिज फील्ड इनटू द ग्रेनरी, and it was the inspiring picture and everyone woke up to, and that picture of that Jewish gentleman was very inspiring to other people. If it is opposite to our India. Okay, if in India there was bombardment, there was attacks, In front page of the India's newspaper, there are only story of that bombardment. Our whole media will showing that bombardments in whole the TV channels also, news channels also, they are showing that bombardment only. Okay, means India gives the important to means which is not very beneficial to country. In Israel, which is inspiring and which is beneficial, that pictures are in on the front page. But it is opposed to India. Okay. It was the inspiring picture, means that picture of that Jewish person was very inspiring. It was the gory details of killings, bombardment and deaths were inside the newspaper. Means that gory means involving blood and violence news are inside the newspaper, inside pages of newspaper. Buried among other news. Isn't it possible in our country? And Dr. Abdul Kalam asked the question, isn't it possible in our country? Why not possible in our country? But our country, India gives the importance to such a news. Okay, and that's why means that we not realize that self-respect comes with the self-reliance. Then see. Next we will learn tomorrow. Okay, thank you.